This is the demonstration video of the Ribbon Wi-Fi calling application to support the permissions declaration, where we are declaring permissions for proxy calls and write and show call history in dialer. The proxy calls are required. It is pertinent to the to our core functionality of our application, because we do VoIP calls over Wi-Fi on behalf of the phone app. And also those calls need to be logged in the call history for the benefit of our users. So I'm going to go through the installation to show how that is working. I enter in a trial code, accept the terms and conditions and privacy. Verifying the security of the phone is to ensure that we are not on a rooted phone. And here's the part where we're going to be requesting permissions from the user. The permission request for contacts, permission request for the device's location, permission request to allow the use of the microphone to record audio, and the permission request to make and manage phone calls. These are the phone calls, the VoIP calls that are done on behalf of the phone app. These are proxy calls. So right now the call log permissions that we need are read call log, write call log, and process outgoing calls. This application target SDK is 27, so it's Oreo 8.1, and in that version those call log permissions are in the phone permission group, so that's why this permission is done here. When we move to Pi, that will be call log will be in its own separate request for permissions, but for this Oreo build, this is the correct place to request those permissions. I will continue on. We need to run in the background so that we can receive calls even when the phone is idle. We enter in the phone number for this phone. Check to make sure we are provisioned on the network. We enter in the activation code. And there it is. Wi-Fi calling is running. We are activated on this phone. And there is a brief tutorial that runs afterwards that shows that the users can, to make the call, select the regular phone app, and then we will make calls over both Wi-Fi and cellular. So that is it.